Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching TechnoRide. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRide, where technology is done right. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to fix slow startup time in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So it's a very simple process and let's get straight into the video. So I'm on Windows 11 as you can see, and yeah, so we're going to click on the start bar and you're going to search for system configuration. See here, system configuration, and this tiny little window will pop up. You're going to go into boot right here and then make sure the first one is highlighted and click on advanced options. Here make sure you check number of processors and choose as many as you want. I would suggest 4 or 6. Okay, so for this video I'm just going to keep it at 4, but the number of processors will be dependent on your CPU. If you have a 2-core CPU with 4 threads, you'll have 4. If you have a 4-core CPU with 8 threads, you'll have 8. And if you have like mine, Ryzen 5 2600, I have 6 cores and 12 threads. So yeah, having more processors will help to speed up the startup process. So that's about it for this video guys. Just click OK and click on apply. OK here, and you will be asked to restart your computer. Just restart your computer and you should be done. That's about it for this video. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.